Mmm. 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 Let me think about that. Hey, welcome back to Candra World Candyland. Happy Friday. Y'all, I ain't get a chance to get my food today because guess what? I was not sipping last night. So, y'all, what y'all doing this Friday, y'all? Like I said, I went shopping yesterday and I treated me to a little stuff. Well deserved. So I got me some chicken wings and some beef and broccoli. And mumbles old. Y'all, this is what I treated myself to. I ain't opening that. A tripod with the light, with the Bluetooth. So I haven't tried it yet, so I'm still working with my old tripod. I probably tried over the weekend. Because you know what? I ain't trying to be pondering and trying to set stuff up today. Today is sippy sip time. A little later on. So, you know what time it is. I ain't wanna start messing. So I ordered me a backdrop too. That should be coming one day this week. No, one day next week to cover that. Cause I cannot merge my videos. I can't. My son talking about, you gotta buy an iPhone. I'm not buying no iPhone. If I can't do it on my Galaxy, it just won't get done. Cause you know I'm old school. Y'all, this sauce right here. I'm old school, y'all. That look, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it, but anyway, this how the sauce look. This sweet and sour sauce. Every different takeout makes its own sauce. And I like that. I'm not a mumbo sauce eating person, but I showed y'all before, my pets got a lot of bottles. That's one thing about you could never have too much. Because in this household, with me and my man, and my kids, even with my grandkids, I always re-up. You can't never have too much. And plus, I buy my stuff in bulks. So, yeah. So, today we're going to be talking about Virgos when they're young. Y'all already know. Ain't nothing like some good water. Oh yeah, I bought another bottle that's similar to the coldest bottle. I forgot to show it. But it say on the thing, it make your water stay it make your cold water stay cold for 18 hours. I know the coldest bottled water say 3 days. But this good enough. 3 hours. I mean 18 hours. And I keep wasting my stuff. And for your hot water, y'all look at this. Okay. Your hot water supposed to last for 4 or 5 hours. So I'm gonna give it a try one day. Cause I done put it up in the cabinet. And y'all knows I'm eating chicken. Again, I can eat chicken every day. Preferably fried chicken. I don't like no boiled chicken, baked chicken, none of that. Now, I like baked chicken if it's really, really cooked, real good. Like I said before, I'm not no professional cook, so I want to eat my own baked chicken. Yeah, I love broccoli, just steamed broccoli. But some people know how to bake that chicken, and it tastes good. Spike loves chicken too, that's why right there. And this the beef. A lot of stuff you can make yourself. And I don't got the patience. And this is a black-owned takeout. So, their food like more soul food. So let's get into it, y'all. So it is Friday. I do want to go back to sleep before I get my day started. Sis, you gonna have to wait. My sis gonna have to wait. You don't call me. Virgo as when they were young. They have high standards and very cautious. That's my grandson, my oldest grandson. He a Virgo. They are shy and picky. Yes, he is. They are confident too. They love outdoors and nature. Destiny! Destiny! And my daughter up there, she act like she can't hear. They describe my oldest grandson to a T. He all that. He confident, but he do got high standards. He a nerd. I'd rather for you be a nerd than a thug. I'll take a nerd any day over a little fast-tailed child. I can't stand no grown kids. They be like, what you say? I be looking at them like, what you say? But I don't talk to kids. I don't talk to grown kids. I really don't. As soon as you get a little sass with me, okay, I will ignore that child. I will ignore him. I like good kids. You don't have to be all shy and scared either, but there's no point of talking fast. What is you proving, little kid? And boy, I can't even spell cat. I be like, can't spell cat. And you spell cat. Like little girl, little boy, you know what I'm saying? So y'all been rambling. I don't even know what my time is at. But I can't see. I think I'm at 8. So y'all, I would hope that I see y'all in Sippy Sip Live today. If I don't be running my mouth on the phone, that's why I be coming on so late. And by the time I vote, That sauce is good. By the time I'm ready to go on live, I be on the phone so long, then that's when my friends and stuff be start calling me. So I need to me and my aunt could talk. We could talk. We only 6 years apart. We could talk on the phone. We could talk about anything. They fight. Y'all hear Spike. Now the cat just got a piece of chicken, the tip. Spike must ain't see it. So as she was chewing, he came over there and roughed it off. Rough it off. So yeah, I'm about to slide so you know what time it is. All this food is not going to make it in the belly. If you like what you like, subscribe. If you don't, you can pass it on by. Until next time, I will see y'all soon with another mukbang. No, I will see y'all soon with another chit chat, another zodiac, and another mukbang. Deuces by Candyland.